The person who I admire most is my father. I'm eager to take advantage of an amazing opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to him. Thanks for all that you did for me. Your care, love, attention leave a deep impression on me. Although you are busy every day, you always make use of your kindness, patience, and knowledge to educate me. I benefit a lot from this. You make efforts to cheer me up when I lose confidence because of having a difficult time in dealing with problems. For treating me, you always have highest sense of responsibility and sacrifice. What you do is worth bearing in my mind forever. In a word, being your daughter is the happiest thing in my life. Your devotion and education deserve sincere gratitude and admiration. Many thanks, Dad. I love you. Now you're aging day by day, and I want to be the one who can take care of you.